In this video, we're going to talk about Binocs, which is a software to help you calculate your tax on your crypto. Nothing I say is financial advice. Without further ado, let's dive into it. Jumping over to Binocs.co, guys, which as always is linked down below in the description. Crypto tax software in the USA. Before you click off, guys, this is also available in Australia, India, South Africa, United Kingdom. So, although it's talking about the US, there's obviously different rules for different countries, and this website will cover you in those locations. If you are involved in crypto, then obviously as regulation has crept in, governments have been aware that people are making lots of money in crypto, and therefore tax has come into it. Now, obviously, tax can be a pretty boring subject for many people and can be quite complicated if you've never done it before or really understand how it works. So this is a fantastic software that can be linked via API key to all of the major exchanges, such as Binance, KuCoin, Coinbase, Gemini, etc., guys. It'll integrate into major exchanges, wallets, and chains. Your crypto portfolio is then kept all in one place. So if you've got crypto on various different exchanges like I do, then this is still going to account for all of that crypto in all of the different places and then produce the tax reporting that you need. As well as that, guys, it still supports things like DeFi and derivatives, and the crypto tax compliance is therefore at your fingertips with over 100 integrations, 150,000 transactions processed, and $2 million worth of crypto assets currently being tracked and continuing to grow all the time. You can sync your entire transaction history, guys, because it's going to link up all of the different exchanges, wallets, etc. that you've been using, which is very, very handy. And that allows you then to access all of the information very easily and to therefore generate tax reports or compliant crypto tax reports for the IRS, HM Revenue Customs, or whoever it is that you're dealing with in your country. Binocs calculates your taxes and helps you to become a tax compliant as per the local regulations in the country that you're living. Our intelligence cost basis engine provides reliable data for calculating your crypto gains. Download a detailed tax report in one single click. Okay. And if you want to learn more, guys, you can click on the country that you're living in, and then you can get your email address here and then just click on download. Coming into the customers then, guys, there's lots of people who've been using this platform and talking about their experience of using it. Coming down as well to the FAQs, if you have any other issues, there's lots of information to basically help you out. So effectively what it's going to do, guys, is it's going to produce for you a compliant tax report that is an official document and then can be sent to the body in your country responsible for sorting these things out, and they will recognize the Binocs product. So the products are for different people. You've got from crypto traders who are perhaps day trading on a daily basis, exchanges and wallets, crypto traders, so people using things like Bybit, etc. And then you've got other products, people using exchanges and wallets like Binance and Metamask, and then a portfolio tracker, which is keeping information for everything. So even outside of tax, it's quite handy to have all of your crypto stuff in one place to make sure you keep on top of where everything is. You can integrate into exchanges and wallets, as I've already mentioned. That's just done through an API key, which is super easy to get over on Binance or wherever it is you're going from. If you're not sure how to do it, just go on YouTube and find out how to find an API key for Binance or anything like that. In terms of the pricing then, the pricing starts for free if you're completely new, guys, which is really, really cool because you get unlimited account integrations, portfolio tracking for unlimited transactions, tax gains and income, So for absolutely free, guys, you can pretty much make the most of this product. And that's if you're new. But if you've been hodling for a while and you're looking for a basic, guys, which is just $49 a year, actually still very affordable. And that's going to get you extra things such as priority support, email support, etc. If you want to go into more detail in this, personally, I don't, because I kind of trust the process in which they are working. But you can see you have things like blogs, decrypting crypto and taxes, explaining more information. You've got glossaries, tax guides, frequently asked questions, etc. Now, what's really cool about Binocs, guys, is it tracks all sorts of different transactions. So instead of just buying and selling on spot, it's also understanding what's happening on exchanges, leverage trading, profits, etc. that have been taken into account there. It's also taking into account different things like the gains a particular coin may have seen in price over a particular time period. So guys, if you want to be on the right side of the law in your country and make sure that you're keeping up to date with your capital gains for your trading as well as your NFT trading, then you need to get your hands on Binocs. Available through the link in the description. The first 100 people to sign up through that link will get 30% off the overall price that they pay. So it's a bit of a no-brainer, in my opinion, that you should be coming across signing yourself up for an account, which starts around $49 for the entire year. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that video on Binocs. Make sure you smash the thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. If you're new to the channel and you want to learn more about crypto, NFTs, trading, and so much more, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and we will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.